What's poppin', y'all? Que la que hay, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to go ahead and share something with you guys that I'm actually really passionate about. So I feel like mental health is a really strong thing that we all sometimes don't really take into account. We're so focused on our daily lives and getting everything done and working and not putting enough mind into just our actual mind and bodies and souls. For today's video, it is going to be a self-care top 5 tips. I hope you guys definitely enjoy. If you do, go ahead and like the video if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these coming your way. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the video. First tip is going to be bathing. So honestly, I know there's a lot of people who are going to be like, ew, it's disgusting, but honestly, don't knock it till you try it. Bathing is probably one of my favorite things to do after a hard day that I just need to unwind. I get my essential oils, I go ahead and just throw it in the tub and just get ready so that I can soak in the tub and just have me time, enjoy the time between me and just my surroundings, and then get my mind off of things. Next is gonna be reading. I love reading, honestly, and I've done it since I was a kid. Reading just, it gives my mind some ease and allows me to get into the characters, get into the story, and forget about my problems for the time being. Alright, so next thing is gonna be just going out, getting out. Honestly, a lot of the times we just want to stay in the house, just do that, and honestly it's so good to just get out of the house, go to the park, go for a walk, sit on the porch, do something that just gets you out of the house and enjoy nature. Next, it's going to be treating yourself. So treating your body, whether it's with a manicure, pedicure, whether it's with a spa day, whether it's with a facial, whether it's with a cruise or a vacation. What you want to do is make sure that you're treating yourself and allowing yourself to give yourself that care that you need and just relax. Alright, and lastly, the last tip is going to be journaling. So with journaling, honestly, I always like to just open up my notebook, go ahead and write down what my thoughts are, and honestly getting my thoughts out on paper and seeing it visually just kind of helps me out, kind of map things out and helps me figure things out basically. So I usually do this with a notebook. I know some people, they prefer just using it and doing it on a computer. You can do that as well. Whatever helps you get your voice out, definitely do that. I definitely just enjoy doing it this way. Alright guys, I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, the 5 top self-care tips that I personally use and love. Hope you guys put them into practice, and also leave me some comments down below on some self-care tips that you guys definitely enjoy, that you guys definitely use on a day-to-day basis, and even some that you have used and have worked very well for you. Also, I wanted to leave a little small note here at the end letting you guys know that whenever anything gets tough, if you don't see the light at the end of the tunnel, when things are getting dark and you're finding that road to self-destruction starting to happen, I want you guys to remember those that really do care about you, those that love you. Reach out to those people. Those people are there for you. And if you don't have maybe the courage to maybe tell someone that you really care about the thoughts that are going on in your head, or just things that are going on, or you don't know how to get that off of your chest, or if you can be able to tell someone that you really care about because you don't know if they'll sympathize with you, always know that you guys can confide in me in whatever it is. You can always reach out to me in my DMs, in my messenger, and in any one of my social media accounts. I will be that voice of reason for you. I will hear you out. I will be there for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will, like I mentioned, I will be including more mental health type of videos in my channel, just because, like I mentioned, mental health is a very important thing in my life. I personally know firsthand what mental health can do and why it's very important. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. It was a small one, a short one, but I hope you guys definitely enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.